Look at him. He's trying to push fucking people off the road. Oh my god! Oh my god. You fucking idiot. Call 911 right now. Did you get it all on video?
Yes.
Back,
20 miles an hour.
2504 Wright Street, Red Barn Grill. Caller, coworker was assaulted by two female customers who have now left. They left in the Honda Civic Minnesota plate.
That's a Jaguar in front of us, a little impatient with our
by a black
speed
female
limit
in her
pace.
20s wearing a black t-shirt and blue jeans. The other black female with a red t-shirt got into a silver Kia sedan. Bravo Hotel, Household 106, female Kia suggested she might have had a weapon with a weapon.
He's making a tough decision right now. Tough decision.
Recording complete. Start recording emergency video.
This might be old news, but this is Ron. While he was heading to SEMA, a lady in a Honda Civic decided to do something really stupid to his friends and his ex while he's driving behind him. This is all on dashcam. Check it out. Throws a coffee and then even throws a fucking cup. Definitely a Karen move. For no reason. Even Ron's like, bro, what the fuck? Check this out. That's it. Enjoy your weekend.
What in the fuck? What is this guy doing? Day one of dashcam.
Glad you moved.
Yep, that's why I moved.
Oh boy.
God, go! 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 Ohio, HRH 3944.
Que coisa é essa? Que é isso? Gente, é inacreditável. Olha aí. Que negócio louco.
Pull over. Fucking pull over.
Look like it's anywhere to fucking go around these cars. 2 trucks, 2 cars, and me in oncoming traffic. Watch this stupid motherfucker right here. He already 2 inches from my fucking trailer. Look at this stupid motherfucker. Study trying to go around. He ain't tried to go around 4 fucking times. And there ain't no way to motherfucking go around. Look at it. Watch it. This is the type of motherfuckers y'all behind trying to get out here and putting on the road. Motherfucker ain't got no common sense. Watch it. Look at this stupid ass. Look, now watch the traffic around here. Ain't nowhere for you to fucking go. You see this shit? Nowhere.